Stainless steel solid welding wire. Method is in single pulse mode, and step is in 2 steps. Select stainless steel for material, and select wire diameter to be consistent with the diameter of the used welding wire. Process forward-backward allows additional parameter adjustments. Pre-gas post-gas time setting, arc force and burnback, and other parameter adjustments. After the setting is completed, it will automatically jump back to the welding current voltage display position after 3 seconds. On the single pulse mode, the machine is in a synergized state. Stainless steel material, prefabricated current about 100A, prefabricated voltage 加 1.5 伏加 2.5 伏. Fine-tune the welding current voltage according to the actual situation. The shielding gas in pulse mode uses a mixed gas. Carbon steel solid welding wire. Method select GMO, step 2 steps. Select wire diameter to be consistent with the diameter of the used welding wire. Welding current, voltage are adjusted separately. The shielding gas is called R. Pulse mode. Material selects carbon steel, and wire diameter is consistent with the diameter of the welding wire used. The shielding gas is mixed gas. When using the pulse function, please note that the material and wire diameter must match with the base material and diameter. Pre-gas post-gas time, arc force, burnback, etc. are fine-tuned according to actual conditions. Step is selected according to the operation time.